guys, okay, today I'm going to be making some cupcake bath bombs, and I'm going to be using all my dyes from, not all of them, but some of my dyes from Planet X production, and I'm using a blackout, sky blue, black. I may use black hole, I'm not sure. I think I'll just use blackout, and screaming pink, and this is acid green, and this bath bomb is going to be called Balance Energy, because we need to balance out the energy that is just ongoing with everything we're dealing with throughout the world. Not one country in this world isn't in this disastrous state. So this is I have in here for my essential oils, I have lemongrass, and it's uplifting for me. I have some camphor essential oil, very uplifting, and the scents it's like a forest type scent, greenery scent, a bit of lavender in here, and I think I have something else in here. Hi guys, okay, so this is part 2 for the cupcakes. I'm getting ready to mix my ingredients here for the frosting. I have all the dry ingredients here and my wet ingredients and some rubbing alcohol. I have my piping bag ready, and piping bag, my 2 nozzles I'm using Wilton, this is Wilton, this is the 1B, it's closed tip, and this is an open tip, and this is a 68. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm using my coupler today. I've already cut my bag, and what I have in here is my dry ingredients. I have arrowroot powder in here, tapioca starch, baking soda, cream of tartar, and SCI. Okay, so I have my liquids in here. I have fragrance in here. I did put lemongrass, about 8 drops of lemongrass in here, and oh my, it gives it such a nice kick. There's lavender fragrance in here, peppermint fragrance in here, peppermint floral water. So the water that they use to make essential oils for the cold process, however they do it. And I have poly 20 in here because I need to emulsify all this stuff, and I wanted to not, because with essential oils you do need a binder with the water. I don't depend on just the sodium, just the powder surfactant. I prefer to have an actual emulsifier for the water.